Hello everyone, this is grade 7 maths chapter 2 fractions and decimal topic addition and subtraction of fractions. So addition and subtraction you may have studied in lower grades. To add two fraction you have to simply convert them into like fraction. And how do we convert two fractions into like fraction? You can do it by taking LCM of the denominator. When they are like fraction, then simply add the numerator and you will get the answer. Similarly, when it comes to subtraction, you have to convert the fraction into like fraction by taking LCM of the denominator and then subtract the numerator. Let's take some example of addition and subtraction to understand it thoroughly, that how to add two fractions and how to subtract. So let's take this example. So what is the first step? First step is to find out LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 12 and 15. So LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to how much? So the mentally I can calculate that double of 15 is 30, but 12 doesn't divide 30, so 30 is not LCM. 3 times of 15 is 45. Again, 12 doesn't divide 45, so 45 is not an LCM. 4 times of 15 is 60 and 60 is divided by 12. Therefore, 60 is my LCM. You can find out LCM by other methods as well, but this we are doing using mental maths, right? So now let us convert both of the fraction into like fractions. So first one is 7 over 12. So please think, what should I multiply to 12 to get 60? Answer is 5 because 12 5 is 60. So in the numerator as well you have to multiply by 5. You know, same number has to be multiplied in numerator and denominator for equivalent fraction. So this becomes 7 multiplied by 5 35, 12 multiplied by 5 60. Now let us consider the second fraction, which is 13 over 15. Again I have to think, what should I multiply to 15 to get 60? Answer is 4 because 4 times 15 is 60. So similarly on the numerator also I have to multiply by same number, that is 4. Now 13 multiplied by 4 is 52 and denominator is 60. Now I can simply add them. 35 over 60 plus 52 over 60 gives you 35 plus 52 over 60. This becomes 87 over 60. Now this is improper fraction. So let me convert into proper fraction. So let me convert into mixed fraction. So let me divide 87 by 60. It will be divided one time, so one whole, and remainder will be 27 because 87 minus 60 is 27 and divisor is 60. Now 27 and 60 are not in the simplest form. So let us divide by a common number. You know, both of them can be divided by 3. So make it simpler. So 27 divided by 3 is 9 and 60 divided by 3 is 20. So this is my answer. 1 whole 9 over 20. Let's take another example of addition. But in this case, both of them are mixed fraction. So we have to convert them into improper fraction. Then only we can proceed for subtraction or addition. So let's convert 1 whole. So it is 1 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus now 2 multiplied by 5 plus 4. Denominator is 5. So this becomes 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. And in this case, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 over 5. Now I have to find LCM. LCM of 3 and 5. Now these are the number which don't have much common number. So answer is equal to 15. That is 3 into 5 itself. So let us convert 4 into 3. To make denominator 15, I have to multiply by 5. Therefore, numerator should also be multiplied by 5. So answer is 20 over 15. In the case of second number, that is 14 over 5. What should I multiply to 5 to get LCM 15? Answer is 3. So numerator should also be multiplied by 3. Now 14 threes are, I think, 42 divided by 15. So let us add them. 20 plus 15 plus 42 over 15 equals 62 over 15. This is improper fraction. Let us divide to make it mixed fraction. 15 fours are 60. So 2 remainder. So 15 is the divisor. So answer is 4 whole 2 over 15. Let's take some example for subtraction. It will be done in a similar way. So first step will be to find out LCM of numerator. So LCM of 11 and 19, these two numbers are very strange numbers. They may not be having much common multiple. So maybe 11 into 19 is the only answer. If I multiply 19 by 11, so 1 9, 9 1, 9 10, carry 1, 209. So LCM of 8, 11 and 19 is 209. Right? So first number is 8 divided by 11. So what I should multiply to 11 to get 209? Answer is obviously 19, because this is 11 into 19. So here also I should multiply by 19. So 19 is the how much? So 19 is the 9 eights are 72, 7 carry, 8 ones are 1 and 7, 15. So 152. And here we have already done the multiplication. So let's copy 209. In the case of second number, that is 7 over 19. So what number I should multiply to 19 to get 209? Obviously 11, because we have just done it to find out LCM. So in the numerator also I have to multiply by 11. 7 multiplied by 11 is equal to 77, and denominator is 209. So the answer is 152 divided by 209 minus 77 divided by 209. Since they are like fraction, the subtraction is very easy. It is 152 minus 77 divided by 209. So 77, if I subtract 152, if I subtract 77 from 152, so 2 is the at unit place. 2 minus 7, that is 12 minus 7 is 5. Here the borrow, I took a borrow, so 5 will be 4. 14 minus 7 will be 7. So 75 over 209. Now you can think of making it even simplest form. So that I'm giving you homework. You check if there can be a common number who can divide 75 and 209. Otherwise, this is our final answer. Right? So in the case of second example, that is fourth example, first of all, I have to convert them into improper fraction. So this will be 2 multiplied by 10 plus 9, denominator is 10 here, 15 multiplied by 1 plus 13, denominator is 15. So this becomes 2 into 10, 20, 29 over 10 minus 15 into 1, 15 and 13. 15 and 13 is 28 over 15. Now I have to find out LCM. LCM of 10 and 15, obviously 30, because 30 will be divisible by 10 and 15 both. So now let us take first number, 29 over 10. This becomes how much I should multiply to 10 to get 30? Answer is 3. Therefore 29 should also be multiplied by 3. So 3 nines are 27. 7, 2 carry, 3 to just 6 and 2 87. This is the multiplication. Here it is 30. And then in the case of 28 over 15, what should I multiply to 15 to get 30? Answer is 2. So in the numerator also it will be 28 into 2. Double of 28, that is 2 times of 28. 8 to the 16, carry 1. 2 to the 4, carry 1, 56 over 30. So now subtraction will be 87 over 30 minus 56 over 30. So now 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 8 minus 5 is equal to 31. 31 over 30. And now division is very easy. 1 whole, remainder is also 1. So it is 1 whole, 1 over 30 is the answer. Right? So you practice more question from the book. If you have any doubt, please post in comment box and I'll answer. Now, fifth and sixth example are mixed. Mixed means more than two. So addition, subtraction, both can be included. Okay. So what I can do? I'm changing this question just for making it more more generic question. I'm making minus here. So two of them are addition and one of them is subtraction. So can I do all together? Answer is yes. First, let us convert each one of them into improper fraction. I can do separately also, like 2 1 by 3 can be converted into improper fraction, like 3 into 2 plus 1 divided by 3. This gives you 3 into 2 6, 7 by 3, right? Similarly, then 4 whole 2 by 3, 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2 divided by 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 over 3. In the last case, 1 whole 5 over 6. So this gives you 6 multiplied by 1 plus 5 over 6 gives you 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 over 6. So my question becomes 7 over 3 plus 14 over 3 minus 11 over 6. So next step, I have to find out LCM of denominators. So what are the denominators? 3, 3 and 6. So LCM is very easy, 6. Okay, I should say LCM of 3, 3 and 6. So it becomes 6. So the first number is, let me make it denominator as 6. So I have to multiply by 2. Okay, denominator will be 6. In this case, also I have to multiply by 2 to make the denominator 6. In this case, I am not supposed to multiply by any number. Or you can say I can multiply by 1. So all the denominator are 6. So common denominator is 6. Now 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 28 minus 11. So that becomes 14 plus 28 is how much? It is 8 plus 4 is 12. So carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 and carry 1 will become 4. So that is 42 minus 11 over 6. Now let us subtract 11 from 42. So it becomes 31 divided by 6. Now 6, if we divide 31 by 6, it goes 5 times. Remainder 1 by 6. 5 whole, 1 by 6. Remember, I have changed the original question. Originally, it was all addition. I converted the last digit for subtraction to show that addition and subtraction can be together. Similarly, in 6th example also, addition and subtractions are together. So can we proceed to find out? Yes. So first step, I have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Those who are already proper fraction, we should not touch them. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Let me convert directly. And don't forget this, I can remove this bracket actually. This bracket, removal of this bracket will not have any effect. You know, if there is a minus sign outside the bracket, then removal of bracket will change the sign inside of the bracket. But here outside the bracket is positive, so that will not affect anything inside of the bracket. So let us keep like this without bracket. But I have to find out LCM. So LCM of 7, 5 and 10. As I told you, to find out using mental maths, take the biggest number and take the multiple of that biggest number and keep thinking if they are dividing by 7 and 10. So 10, if I take multiple of 10, like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 70 is the number which is actually divided by both. It is divided by 7 also, it is divided by 5 also. So LCM of 7, 5 and 10 is 70, 70. Now let us take each one of them. So 7 divided by 4 divided 4 over 7 can be written as how much I should multiply to 7 get 70? Obviously by 10. So numerator should also be multiplied by 10. So this is 40 over 70. Second number is 13 over 5. How much I should multiply to 5 to get 70? Answer is 14. So 13 should also be multiplied by 14. So 13 in 14 is how much? Okay, denominator is 17. 13 and 14 I don't remember. I can't multiply immediately. So I'm taking help of a normal multiplication. So 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and carry 1 is 4, 42. Then 1 4s are 1 and 1 1s are 1. So this is ultimately 182. 182 is my answer. Now third number is 3 over 10. To make it 70, I have to multiply by 7 in numerator as well as in denominator. So answer will be 21 over 70. So my final answer is equal to 40 over 70 plus 182 over 70 plus, sorry, not plus, negative, minus 21 over 70. And this becomes 40 plus 182 minus 21 whole over 70. And if you see, if you add 40 and 182, this becomes 240, 222. 222 minus 21 over 70. There is no space. Let me write here. So this becomes 221 is 201. If I subtract 8 plus 4 is 12 only, right? So yes, if I'm right in addition, so 201 divided by 70. Now you can make it mixed fraction. So how many times 201 will be divided by 70? You can please calculate yourself. This is easy to calculate, right? Let's proceed with some word problems. So let's take example number 7. It says Ram ran 1.5 kilometers. See how I read this number? 1.5. I can also read 1 whole 1 by 2, but I use shortcut. I use the word 1.5 kilometer on Tuesday, and 1 and 1/4, 1 and quarter. I can also say 1 whole and 1 by 4 kilometer on Wednesday. How many more kilometer did he run on Tuesday than on Wednesday? Meaning you have to find the difference between them. How many kilometer did he run in 2 weeks? Okay, this is spelling mistake. It should be run in 2 days. So you have to add also, you have to subtract also. So there are two parts of the question. So let's do the first part. First let us write the statements. So Ram ran, okay, on Tuesday. Ram ran on Tuesday is equal to 1 whole and 1 by 2. Let me convert into improper fraction. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 3 over 2 kilometer. And second statement is Ram ran on Wednesday. Okay. And that is 1 whole 1 by 4. This gives you 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. That is 5 over 4 kilometer. Right? So the first part of the question is, let's take part A. How many more kilometer he run on Tuesday than on Wednesday? So that is difference. It is asking difference of kilometer. So difference will be, okay. So Tuesday was more, so 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I can see very easily see the LCM is 4. For LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So let us make common, let us make same LCM. So 3 by 2 can be converted as a 6 by 4. You know, I multiplied numerator and denominator, both I have multiplied by 2. To make numerator sorry, to make denominator 4. To make denominator 4, I multiplied by 2 in the denominator. Therefore, I have to multiply numerator also by 2. And this 5 by 4 you don't touch. So final answer will be 6 minus 5. And that's equal to 1 by 4 kilometers. So this is the solution. This is the answer of difference. For the second part, you have to add them. So total distance covered will be, you have to write answer in words as well. How many kilometers did it run in 2 days? So let me add 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4. Again, to make numerator is the same. This 3 by 2 can be multiplied by 2 in the numerator and denominator. So answer will be 6 by 4 plus 5 over 4. And sum will be 6 plus 5 over 4. That is 11 over 4. Right? And you can make it mixed fraction. So if you divide 11 by 4, it will go 2 times fully and remainder will be 3 by 4 kilometer. 2 whole and 3 by 4. So please don't forget to write answer in words. So you can take words from the question itself. What it says, how many more kilometers did he run on Tuesday than on Wednesday? You can write Ram ran 1 by 4 kilometer more on Tuesday as compared to Wednesday. And for the second part, you can write the total kilometer Ram ran was 2 whole and 3 by 4 kilometers. So I'm not writing those statements, but please don't forget to write those statements in your examinations. Let's do this question number 8. This is a little bit different type. It says there are 7 cows, 3 sheep and 4 chickens on a field. What fraction of animal are sheep? So first of all, to find out the total number of animal. So total number of animals. So let's find out total number of animals. So that is 7 cows, 3 sheep, 4 chicken, right? So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14 animals. And number of sheep are just 3. Number of sheep are just 3. It's just 3. So the fraction of sheep will be, fraction of sheep will be simply number of sheep. You can write it like a formula divided by total number of animal. Total number of animals. Okay, and this is equal to 3 over 14. That's it. So answer of this question is the fraction of animal, the fraction of sheep of total animal will be 3 over 14. You know, after this chapter, we'll start multiplication and division of fraction. So our next video will be on multiplication and division of fraction. Now this is my last question. It says find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter and breadth is 1 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. So actually we can draw this diagram here. For the question of perimeter, area and all those things, always, if possible, try to draw the diagram. You can do without diagram as well because there is a formula, but it's better to write. So the length is equal to 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, and in this case the breadth is, that is b equals 1 whole and 1 by 2 centimeter, right? So to write in words, length L equals 2 whole 3 by 4, which can be converted into improper fraction. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4 centimeter, right? And the breadth, let's symbol is small b, that is 1 whole 1 by 2. Again, I can convert into improper fraction, it is 3 by 2 centimeter. So now perimeter perimeter of a rectangle, you know very well, formula is 2 multiplied by L plus B, length plus breadth, right? So this will be 2 multiplied by length. Length is 11 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Now the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So this becomes 2 multiplied by 11 over 4. Let us not touch it. Let us make LCM here also 4. So what I have multiplied to this 2 to make it 4? Answer is 2. So the numerator should also be multiplied by 2. So it's 6 by 4. So this becomes 2 multiplied by 11 plus 6. The LCM is 4. So common number is 11 plus 6. Let me write fully if you wish. And this answer is 2 multiplied by 17 over 4. 11 plus 6 is 17 over 4. And you can divide this 2 and 4 like this. Let me use different color. This is 1 time and this is 2 times. So answer is actually 17 over 2. So answer will be 17 over 2 centimeter, right? Because it is perimeter, so unit of perimeter is centimeter. I can make it a mixed fraction. So if I divide 17 by 2, it will go 8 to just 16. So 8 whole, 1 remainder, and 2 your what to say, divisor. So 8 whole, 1 by 2. I can also say 8.5 centimeter. So don't forget to write the answer in words that perimeter of the rectangle is 8.5 centimeter. Fine. So this examples of addition and subtraction of fraction. And if you want full solution of the exercise, please join the WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description. I'll send the full solution of the exercises, but that will be password protected. And password to open this will be 5678. Thank you.